Werewolves premieres next on Sci-Fi.
What just happened?
I had a damn dog.
No, I don't think it was a dog.
How the hell did you kill yourself a naked girl, huh? Damn if I know.
Hey, can I get some guys in for a sec?
All of a sudden, she just jumped out. Bam!
Bam.
Yeah. You don't see too many like that walking around, you know? Help me get rid of her.
All right, Neil, let's see this shot, man. Let's see. Stuff for a little. Yeah, no, it's good now. Okay, put the right panel light on, please. How's it on?
Just driving along, and all of a sudden, she just bam, jumped out of nowhere.
Bam?
Yeah.
Man, she was one good-looking woman.
Yep. Don't see too many like that walking around here. That's true. Man, you gotta help me get rid of her.
Help you?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
No.
Man, you should have just left her where you killed her.
Exactly.
No, man. The cops, they see the screech marks that match my tires, and they got all kinds of stuff, things like that.
All right, but you handle it your own themself next time, all right?
But you died. Part of me.
I don't know what's going on here, but it's about to get real ugly, real fast.
Yeah? I think it looks real ugly here already.
Is that so?
Turner. Yeah. Lock the door.
2, 1, go!
Yeah, Turner. Lock the door.
Look, we're gonna give you a gift and walk out of here, okay? Just take it.
No one's going anywhere.